My name is Samantha Zarini, and I lead the Human-Centered Design practice on our employee experience team at Visa. Erin Sani, the product manager of HR Service Delivery, and myself will be walking you through our portal strategy, design philosophy, and how we deliver exceptional employee experiences. And while our product team and human-centered design practice drive the delivery, vision, and design of HRSD at Visa, our partnerships and cross-functional teams are core to our success. We partner closely with COEs, internal and external design and innovation teams, agile coaches, people technology, which includes our very own internal development team, as well as our partners on the platform team and the people organizational change team. This mighty cross-functional team of experts enables us to scale and bring our portals to life. We are hyper-focused on elevating the future of work at Visa by reimagining employee experiences through the lens of human-centered design. We want to ensure that the employee is at the center of every physical and digital touchpoint, system, or process that shape an employee's work interactions from recruitment to retirement, or that impact their engagement, productivity, and satisfaction within the organization. And we do that by eliminating friction, creating intuitive and memorable, that was easy experiences, and adapting designs to human behavior. Our digital footprint extends far outside of Visa, and our expectations and behaviors are defined by the habits we form elsewhere. Our design principles stem from what our employees share with us during our Voice of the Employee session. The experiences we design must be intuitive, accessible, inclusive, contextually relevant, and outcome-focused. At a high level, the process we follow to design a portal, page, widget, or experience is rooted in human-centered design methodologies, a user-centric approach to innovating and problem-solving. We do this by studying a target audience of users, specific personas, in order to understand their environment, behavior, context, and in order to uncover insights or pain points that may reveal opportunities to reimagine and enhance experiences. We need to be able to humanize our employees' experiences by immersing ourselves in discovery in order to really eliminate friction and create those memorable experiences. Prior to designing any aspect of our experience, we go through a comprehensive discovery to understand the current state challenges, pain points, and barriers that employees may have with the experience we are designing for. We collect feedback from surveys, tickets, forums, one-on-one interviews, and focus groups to better understand and document the current state. We then run design workshops where we define the problem, identify the personas, and begin to envision the ideal state by building journey maps. We document every touch point and interaction that the personas that's experienced must step through, from point of entry to point of exit, and everything layered in between, from the barriers they encounter to the moments that matter. This then becomes the opportunities we transform into requirements and are what the team will always be able to refer back to when making decisions down the line. We also hold ideation sessions with our centers of excellence to envision and document 10x vision. We pull out capabilities and requirements from the journey maps or mind maps, and we plot them against pain points to ensure we are mitigating issues they called out, and also to guarantee that all requirements are mapped to the personas we are looking to solve for. We bring persona representation to our journey map sessions to validate their experiences and take live feedback and input from them. We also leverage the robust requirements documents to begin sketching design. And then from there, we conduct usability studies with the global demographic of these employees and iterate our designs based on their feedback. We conduct both one-on-one interviews and focus groups to collect qualitative feedback and highlight themes, trends, and opportunities. We task test, language test, and ensure there's a global comprehension of copy, buttons, labels, interactions, navigation, and even images. We also cast a wider net to collect quantitative feedback via surveys to ensure we have statistically significant data. And then post-implementation and go live, we typically come back in to conduct a research study to better understand how the live experience is for employees using the portal. This becomes the next pillar for optimization and improvement based on Voice of the Employees, and our design thinking cycle then picks back up again. We've talked a lot about our process, and now I'm going to pass the mic over to Erin to showcase some real examples on how we bring human-centered design methodologies and agile product management framework to life through our portal interactions and experiences.
Our Ask People team virtual assistant was developed 100% in-house through human-centered design and all of the steps that Sam just outlined. From problem statements, persona definition, to prototypes, testing, and review with our customers. We decided to go with an internal virtual assistant built on top of ServiceNow because there was some functionality we prioritized that was not in the Now Assist chatbot when we began this journey. Things like contextual references, recording thumbs up and down for every chat line, and others. After multiple rounds of user review, we came to this design and have implemented a virtual assistant that leverages user criteria from ServiceNow to know who you are, what information you should have access to, and in the near future, build reports dashboards directly within the virtual assistant. Feedback we heard from numerous employees was that finding articles and requests was confusing with the 3-level taxonomy that ServiceNow has out of the box. We still have that taxonomy enabled in our Ask People team portal, as you see in your video, and are still receiving feedback directly from our employees that they have issues finding what they need or not understanding the click-throughs to get to the information they are looking for. We took that feedback and incorporated it into our new design for the IND Hub. We developed a brand new solution in how to leverage out-of-the-box 3-level taxonomy into one page with a more seamless experience for our employees. There's still a top-level taxonomy item in the menu bar, in this case, belonging culture, but from there, it takes you to a single page that you can filter easily. Well-being and community are the second-level taxonomy items you see on this page, and filter by allows you to filter for the third level all on this page dynamically. This has been a huge win for our employees and their experience within our portal. Please see our other video for examples of the amazing experiences below and more. Now, we will talk through some of the analytics and metrics that show the impact we have driven for our employees and leaders. To start with, the Ask People Team portal is used extensively by our employees daily. Since the pilot launch of our Ask People Team virtual assistant, we have observed that as chatbot questions increase, case submissions decrease, which is meeting our goal of case deflection. We launched the pre-hire portal in November 2023, have had 1,016 unique users integrate since then. 74% of those have completed a CSAT survey, and 100% of them have completed their policy tasks before day one. We got some benchmark numbers from ServiceNow's pre-hire portal, and they were at 99%. Our CSAT scores across the board are beyond excellent, which show the value we are driving for our employees. There's 96.72% satisfaction with pre-boarding overall, while ServiceNow was at 92%. When we built the pre-hire portal, we also built a back-end dashboard that is pulling data from multiple systems into one source. No need for manual checks into Workday or our background check system or any others when the pre-boarding admin team can clearly see all the data for every pre-hire. This amounted to a 70% decrease in administrative tasks for this team, a huge gain in capacity. We also streamlined the process for our pre-hire from 169 minutes per pre-hire to finish all their pre-hire tasks to 60 minutes. Finally, the IND Hub has had employees from 31 different countries read over 1,850 knowledge articles since launch. This has been tremendous in building a more thoughtful and inclusive company. Our portals are living, breathing products with roadmaps that highlight net new capabilities, features that need to be optimized, and backlog items that need to be continuously addressed. Here are some examples of items in our future roadmap. Our current employee handbooks are static PDFs buried on our internal content management system that are hard to find and difficult to update. There are region-specific handbook PDFs as well as a global handbook, but it is increasingly hard to stay consistent in updates as COE owners change. New employees are required to test in Workday, but the process is unintuitive and not easily trackable. We've designed a new page we are calling Employee Essentials that is being built within ServiceNow. Key policy and program information is now more accessible in a user-friendly way. Global and regional information is co-located. New employees will receive a task in the new hire onboarding portal, which we're launching later this year, to review this one page, seamlessly making the new hire attestation much easier and cleaner. We have a new custom link to content widget with text to show the user where they're going. There's a direct to content widget, and finally, to enable regional specific content to be displayed in one place, we have created a fully custom widget that allows employees to filter to their specific region for their content. In the back end, our developers put together a custom table to help deliver this content to our employees. A challenge we have consistently heard from our employees is that there are too many sources and locations for people-related information. This gets confusing for our employees. What is the source of truth? We have COE-specific content pages living all over our internet, from SharePoint sites, Teams pages, ServiceNow knowledge articles, to pages on our internal content management systems. To address this, we have re-envisioned our topic pages to a more streamlined look and feel. Along with the project we are undertaking to clean up our taxonomy, we will be launching COE-specific topic pages like this one with our new custom link to content widget, as well as a direct-to-content widget. Requests are shown on this page through connected content automatically, and we also show any recommended trainings that link to this topic in our recommended pathways widget.